Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about eyeglasses. So today's video is in collaboration with visionmarketplace.com, which is the place that I normally get my Solotica lenses. So you guys know that brand, Solotica, well renowned and very popular. Very good for dark brown eyes. Anyway, today's video is about their glasses. So they've recently come out with their range of eyeglasses, as you guys can see here. This is their website and they have quite the selection of eyeglasses, I have to say. Now, they primarily used to just sell contact lenses, but they decided to approach influencers like myself to try out their glasses. If you guys are interested in the particular codes or the links for these glasses that I'm going to be featuring, I'll leave them down in the description box down below. But yes, if you guys don't know, I'm quite nearsighted, like my prescription's pretty bad, which is why I'm almost always wearing contact lenses or wearing glasses. Now, I do like peripheral vision, which is why I always go for like these larger frame glasses, because then I can see a bit more, which is why I like these styles. I believe these styles are more of like the aviator style, very similar to an aviator style. Now let's talk about the glasses. Now, I have purchased eyeglasses from overseas websites before, and they almost always seem to be quite flimsy. Like they did the job, like the glasses themselves were actually really good, but the frames were quite flimsy. And I had to be careful, and like one of the pairs that I had before, just like one of the arms started to pop off. And I have had these glasses from, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 months. I was supposed to do this review like within a month, but here we are. And I have worn these glasses in various situations. I am a big fan of lying down in bed on my side with my glasses, like on my phone, so that puts pressure on the frame, and I have to say these frames are still pretty good. Also the mechanism on the hinge seems to be pretty good still, even though I do that a lot, like I said. And I also like the fact that they haven't distorted, they haven't cracked or anything, and as you guys can probably see, there is the anti-glare coating. Alright, let's talk about the ordering process. So the ordering process is quite easy. All you have to do is just choose the style that you have. So they have them in different sections, the unisex, male, female. They also have kids ones as well there for you. If you've mistakenly chosen like a frame that's for kids, it will prompt you and stuff, so that's very helpful. You're not going to get a nasty surprise in the mail. And then it will also give you guys the dimensions of like how wide, how thick and everything is. And then you also have to choose your prescription. So what do you get in the package? So you get the case. So the case is actually quite cool and I do like it. So it's, well, you know, it's got all their name and logo on it, but it's also got the cloth, which is a little bit thicker than normal eyeglass cloths, which I do appreciate, and this one also folds like that, so if you're worried about space you can always just do that. As I said earlier, these glasses are quite durable, and you guys can probably tell I'm not the most gentle person when it comes to my glasses. I tend to kind of like throw them around, and I also sleep on them, so I'm actually quite surprised that they haven't been distorted, even though I do all of the said things. In terms of scratches, I'm pretty good with that, because whenever I do put my glasses down, I always put it down like that instead of that. I know some people do that. Sorry, I do that, I can't see. So this is sort of like the navy blue pair that I have. I'll show you guys the other pair that I have. Okay. So this one kind of looks similar so this one, very similar again design. This is the kind of style I like. From the front, it's got more of this nice brown shade, and then you've also got this nice lighter brown accent here, which kind of gives it like a leathery feel, and I do really like this. This is something that I would normally pair with my stylish clothes. So one thing also to note, that these glasses are actually made in the EU, so European Union. They're not made in China. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I know some people are very particular when it comes to where their products are being made from. So in terms of delivery, how fast did it get here to Australia? I think I only had to wait maybe a week and a half. That included the processing time, so like making up the glasses and stuff. And I also received these through a courier, so I think it was FedEx, so yeah, very secure. You'll get them, and I think in terms of pricing, again, these were sent to me, so I didn't spend any of my own money for this, but I remember looking at the pricing and it was quite affordable. Again, links will be down in the description box down below. You guys can see how much they cost. And in today's video, I also have an affiliate code, which is the Pop Air, which is my old username. So it basically gives you 10% discount. I also make a bit of money off that, but you guys aren't being charged any more than you would normally, so yeah, might as well just use that. Obviously, you don't have to use that that code if you guys don't feel like it, but I do appreciate the support if you guys did. But yeah, there you guys go. Those are my thoughts and opinions on these glasses. Overall, I'm really happy with them. Stylish, durable, and honestly quite inexpensive, really. Anyway, that's pretty much it from me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. Tell me down in the comment box down below if you guys have purchased your glasses or contact lenses from Vision Marketplace. Tell me your experiences. Let's have a chat, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.